How to set up content monetization with Payout FB new update. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's just jump into the topic. So you can ensure eligibility and enable professional mode. So make sure your profile or page is eligible for monetization. This includes meeting age, follower and other criteria, and as well as adhering to Facebook's partner monetization policies. So if you are using a profile, you need to turn on professional mode, and after that you have to access content monetization settings. So for that you have to go to professional dashboard and locate and select the monetization tab and start onboarding. Click on content monetization to begin the setup, and after that you have to complete the onboarding process. So for that you have to carefully review and accept the terms and conditions for the accommodation tools. Now you have to set up payout account. So to set up a payout account on PC, I'll show you the about the PC. You have to open Meta Business Suite, and after that on the left menu you have to select monetization, select a monetization tool and begin setting up. And after you have agreed to the terms and condition, you have to click on get started and enter your legal first name, surname, date of birth and country. Then click verify details, and after that you have to enter your business info. This is the country your business operates in, and the business type is, this is the type of business you operate, like individual, LLC or partnership. If you are an individual, you have to enter your first legal name and surname and date of birth, primary address, contact phone number and email address, and select next. And if you have a business, you have to enter your business name, business address and phone number, then select next. After that you have to confirm the legal owner of your business, enter their first legal name and surname, date of birth, primary address and contact email address, and select next. And after that you have to choose how you'd like to get paid. You have three options. You can sign into your bank account, you can manually link bank account, you can link your PayPal account. So when you've chosen your payment method, you have to select link payout method. Your payment method is now linked. You can continue to add your tax information or tap to close the tax verification screen and add it later. To add your tax information, you have to select add tax info, select your tax classification, confirm whether you are a US resident entity or not, and then select text next. And after that you have to enter your name, business name, tax ID type and tax ID number, or direct, indirect tax ID for non-US businesses. And after that you have to enter your address as it appears on your latest tax return, and then select next. And after that you have to review your tax form, and you'll see confirmation where your information has been submitted and verified. You have to select done. So that's it for the video, and see you on the next one.